Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Paul Sherry RVs, and I'm excited. We've been waiting 2 years for this, and this is the all-new Dynamax on the Ram 5500 Isata 5 motorhome, and we're excited about it. So we've had a couple in the last couple years, but they've only been building retail sold orders, and that's the purpose of this video, to show you what the Dynamax Isata 5 looks like, and also to encourage you and set up the opportunity for you to visit the factory and pre-order your Isata 5, because there's only 2 of these available in the nation. One is right here at Piqua, Ohio, and truthfully, by the time you see this video, this is probably already going to be sold. So again, the purpose of this video is to show you what the Isata 5 is, what it's capable of doing, and all of its features, and encourage you to go to the factory and order one through Paul Sherry RVs right here in Piqua, Ohio. We're a close dealer to the factory, and we'll be able to service you very, very well as a result, and also get you the best price in the nation. So I'm going to turn this camera around, and we're going to do a quick demonstration on this Isata 5. Come up front here. This is built again on the robust Ram 5500 chassis. Now there is an option for 4-wheel drive. This is a 2-wheel drive option, I would say, on maybe the shorter, the 30 foot, and you're looking to do some off-roading. The 4x4 might be a good possibility. We have pre-ordered one of those in for a customer of ours. This is the magnetic. It's a new full body paint for 2020. It's the magnetic paint. Dynamax really sets the bar high in the Super C market. And one thing they do is they do probably the most amazing front cap and rear cap that I've seen on a Class C motorhome. As I get up close to here, this entire front overhang is one solid fiberglass piece, and it's beautifully done. It comes all the way over, comes all the way up into the roof line. You can see the seam there. Let me get my finger down. Comes down the sidewall, runs by the doors, all the way to the ground. It's beautifully done. The benefit of that is it keeps the front end of this motorhome super watertight, and also really increase the strength of this front end, because that's what's really taking all the beating. Also, Dynamax puts standard on this frameless windows, and they've got the high gloss, or they've got the high limo tint on them for not only privacy, but also keep out the extreme sun. Dynamax uses the Class A style baggage doors. You notice they're stamped aluminum baggage doors. I've got them all open because I'm going to show you inside of there. What the competition uses is right here. It's just little cutouts that are made out of fiberglass. These are stamped aluminum, really superior in quality. The baggage storage containers are going to be made out of rotocast plastic. You can see here that the black thing right down there, that's actually a drain. So you can literally take a hose and hose this out, and you don't have to worry about mildew. You don't have to worry about wood rotting or metal corroding and rusting with this system. All doors are slam latch and have a single handle to open them up. So if your hands are full, you can simply open it up with one hand and get your belongings in there. More storage in this second compartment. And then this third compartment's got something special here. This is an Onan diesel generator. So this is going to be an 8,000 kilowatt a power that this will create, therefore powering anything inside this motorhome anywhere, as long as you've got diesel fuel. What an awesome option. A lot of the competition uses propane generators, and those are limited on size and also limited on fuel amount. This being a diesel generator is going to run and be able to produce a lot more power than the propane. You have your hookup and dunk station here. You've got your water hookup all completely done, completely nicely done, nicely fitted, and your dump right there. You also have a spot for your sewer hose right there on the back of the door. Have batteries up here. Comes equipped with battery disconnects and 2 AGM batteries, and spot for at least 2 more. The paint job on this is really a work of art. It's a high gloss finish on the paint work, but really it looks 3D. It's not decals. This is a full body paint, and this is actually painted by hand, each and every one at the factory. You can see the depth in the paint. It really stands out. Not sure if the camera catches that, but when customers look at these, they're just really in awe of the detail of the paint work. capped in the rear just like in the front. That's a solid fiberglass front cap, wraps all the way up into the roof and all the way down, wrapping around the hitch. Now this hitch is a 10,000 pound hitch, comes equipped with both 7-pin wiring and 4-pin down below. Your second slide out here, that would be your bed slide, is on the door entry side. And in the rear here, you have your inverter, which is going to power a lot of the outlets and your refrigerator in there, another storage compartment. And then this is special too. So this is your fresh water tank. This is a heated compartment. So you'll be able to use this motorhome in cooler temperatures. And also what I really like about it, it has easy access to the winterization right here. Here's your winterization hose and really easy access. You literally don't even need a screwdriver to be able to winterize this. And another storage compartment. So plenty of exterior storage. Directly above that, you have your outside entertainment system, which will come with a 32-inch Sansui television and also a Jensen CD, DVD, Bluetooth-capable radio that's going to play off those two JBL speakers right there. Let's go on and take a look at the inside. So you can get into the cab by both entry doors just like you would a pickup truck. And I did want to show you that. It makes it easy to get in. It has a nice step bar to assist you in getting into the either passenger or driver's seat, which makes it super easy. Benefit of a Class C. But we're going to go into the coach side, the house side of the motorhome. And I'll just kind of pan around here. And then we'll get into some more details. Okay. All right, let's start in the cab. This is my favorite part of this motorhome. So being a Class C, I've got the bunk pushed up and I'm able to access the cab from the house. So jumping down into the driver's seat, it really is no different than any other Dodge 5500 pickup truck on the market. So you've got power windows and locks, power mirrors also on the left. You've got your controls here for your Bluetooth and hands-free talking up through your cell phone, and also your cruise control right here on the steering wheel. Your gear shifter along the right and your turn signal along the left. And check this out. This has the coolest observation camera I've seen. There's literally probably no blind spots in this motorhome. Turn down the air conditioner. So what we've got here, we've got 2 rear view monitors and both side view monitors. Those are always going to display. Now when I go in reverse, it only shows the rear view, but while you're driving down the road, you can literally see everything. Now I got baggage doors and slides out, so these side ones look a little strange, but it's really slick when driving down the road. And of course you have your Ram factory radio. That's not aftermarket, so it's going to work nicely with all the components in this motorhome. Comes equipped with a factory brake controller down here, also factory jake brake, tow haul mode, and traction control. Also has the factory inverted 150 watt power outlet, along with plenty of USB power and the old school cigarette lighter power. So that's a little bit of the cab. This also comes with a collision avoidance system, motion eye detector, I believe. And that is the cab. Again, easily accessible from the house of the motorhome. Now the bunk mattresses will come down, fill in that hole right there, and that'll create a nice size bed up there. Also, your television is up here on a swing arm, has a built-in JBL sound bar into it that looks like a 40-inch TV. Really, really nice. Padded ceiling in this up top here. It's a nice padded material, allows for better insulation and also a noise dampener. You have controls along the pillar here. You're going to be able to control your slide outs manually with buttons here. You have your solar charged controller here. So this is equipped with an option. It's 200-watt solar panels up on the roof, and it's a nice sunny day right now. We're making 12.7 volts right there, as you can see, is what the battery's reading, even with all these lights on, and I'm not plugged into anything, and I don't have the generator running. So those batteries are staying up very nicely with those 200-watt solar panels up there in this 30-watt controller. Down below here, you've got your Magnum Energy. This is going to work your charger and inverter that I showed you in the rear. And also this comes equipped with leveling jacks. These are the equalizer auto leveling system. Air conditioner control is directly down below that, and a power outlet. Lastly, both USB and 110 volt. This also comes equipped with the optional theater seating. Those recline and have a nice footrest that pops up, and also has the dinner trays that are removable. You have beverage holders in the center there, and boy are they comfortable, and allows for good viewing of the television. All the windows have the blackout night shades. I've got most, if not all of them, pulled, as you can see here. And directly next to the theater seating is the table. This is a dinette table. The table itself will come down for extra sleeping, and what I like about this dinette table, it's super comfortable. It's a little bit wider than your typical dinette table, so you can fit in there a little bit easier. Directly across from that is your kitchen. Kitchen's going to come with your Frigidaire residential refrigerator. That's going to be powered by your inverter that we looked at in the rear. Solid surface countertops, a very large, probably the largest countertop extender I've seen in a motorhome. Sunk down stainless sink, and the countertops above that sink when you're not using it, the sink covers. And it's a split sink, and those are nice heavy duty sink covers. Back through here, you've got a spot for trash can, and you also have the cover over the stove. It's a 3-burner gas stove, and above this is your oven. This is your convection oven right above here. All right, I know I'm going quick, but this is cool. So right here is your command center. This will do everything. Turns on your lights, controls your temperature, both heat and air conditioner, puts your slides out, puts your awning out, determines what type of power you're using, starts your generator up, starts your water heater up, and then you can lock the whole system. So it's all at your fingertips. They call it a multiplex wiring system, and it really works slick. Cleans up the wall, so you don't have literally 30 buttons on the wall. It's all in one control panel. Also, you can download the app to literally do this from your phone. Here's your shower. Has a stand-up shower. The really cool shower head on it. Skylight, of course, and glass surround for privacy and to keep the water in. Hot and cold water there. Nice medicine cabinet storage behind, and stools back in here. Now this really is a nice large bathroom. You could easily get changed in here, plenty of room, plenty of storage for your toiletries. It also has the big fan up there. I call that the whole house attic fan. That is really going to do a good job ventilating this motorhome. All right, let's check out the bedroom. So the bedroom has a slide out, and that enables you to get all this room here at the foot of the bed. Comes with a queen bed. You can walk around on all 3 sides to make it easy access in and out. Has a really nice comfortable headboard back there, so if you want to sit up and read a book at night, you can. Windows on the side of the slides. They both open to allow for cross ventilation, and a big window in the back, and some good storage here. Cedar lined cabinet there, closet. And have your big Sansui television up top there for easy viewing. This does come with 2 air conditioners, so you'll be able to keep cool on the hottest of days. And this is the all-new Dynamax on the Ram 5500 Isata 5. So give us a call for current pricing. I will show you this one. This is stock number 10683. Again, probably by the time you're seeing this video, I imagine this is sold. But we are taking orders, and I do want to stress that. We are taking orders, and we have the very best price in the United States. We're only 3 hours from the factory. We can set you up with a factory tour so you know exactly what you're getting. This is a 2020 Dynamax Isata 5 36DS. Manufacturer states we should sell for $20,000 or $202,215. I've been doing too many travel trailer videos. $202,215 for our current price and best price in the United States. Visit our website, paulsherryrvs.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Sherry. Everyone have an awesome rest of your day.